Alright, Lucas. What's up, my boy? It's a little blue in here. Let's see. I got the blue lights. I don't know if you've seen them yet. Green, red? Definitely blue. Yeah. Alright, let me get something to drink. Alright, so. I know you want me to show you how I've been making all this money. For example, like, you saw my new car, like, the watch, I don't know, you know, my Louis wallet. Like, you've seen all this shit I got now. And you wanted me to show you, and I said I would. And I could actually show you on FaceTime, but we're already here, so I'm just gonna make this video, and that way I have something what I did. And let's see if I can get rid of this webcam and go to my computer. Alright, man, so now I'm at my computer. I'm gonna show you step by step how I invested BitCoin and started making all this money to afford everything that I get. So first, I want to say that basically the key concept to my success that I've had with this is that I'm using compound interest. And I'm pretty sure you know what compound interest is, right? That's when you make an interest on something or a profit, and then you just reinvest that profit again, and that way you're increasing the amount you invest every time, and therefore growing how much interest you're getting as well. So you were saying to me that you said you'd throw in about $1,000 if I explained everything to you. So I'm going to use $1,000 as my example. And let's say you start with $1,000 and you make 1% profit per day. So just every day you trade, you make 1%. That's not too difficult, that's realistic. And you reinvest that and you work for 180 days, and then you reinvest that again for 180 days, which turns out to be 360 days, which is, you know, almost a year. So we're gonna see how much you make in a year with this strategy. Alright, so let's open a new window and let's go to Google, and we'll type in a compound interest calculator, and we'll use the first one here. And what did we say? We said $1,000, right? We're not adding anything annually. Years to grow. This is actually equivalent for us to days to grow, because our interest rate is 1% per day, not 1% per year. So the years to grow is actually days to grow for us. So what did we say? We said 180 at first, right? Compound the interest one time annually, one time daily. This doesn't apply, and calculate. Alright, so after 180 days, 6 months, we made $5,000 in profit for a total amount of $6,000. Not bad. And let's say, I know you're smart, so you can hold off. So let's say you take that $6,000 and you reinvest it again for another 180 days. You'll have almost $36,000. So if you do this for 1 year straight, you'll turn $1,000 into $36,000. Let's say instead of starting with $1,000 today, like you said, you started with $3,000, and you did this for 360 days, you'd have $100,000 after a year. That sounds good, doesn't it, dude? So maybe you should consider investing a little bit more than just $1,000. Alright, so we've got this covered. The next step is get BitCoin. So we're actually going to do this with a company called Coinbase. And Coinbase is a company that actually is based in the United States. So it's a company based in California, and they do you know, hundreds of millions of dollars of exchanges with Bitcoin and dollars every single day. So you can look them up on Wikipedia if you don't trust me. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called bitstarted.org. And so this is a website that kind of shows you how to get Bitcoin in 3 easy steps. using Coinbase. So basically, how to get it in 3 steps. Basically, you sign up for an account, then you add the payment method, which in our case I added a bank account. It's safe because it's in the United States, so I added the bank account to buy the money, and then you go to the thing and you put in how much you want to buy, right? So they have a cool link right here, Coinbase sign up link at the top. If you click that, let's see if it works. Alright, so here's a $10 sign up bonus. We invite you to try Coinbase. You put in your information. I'm just gonna make one up. James fake email 111@gmail. Oh, that's the email, so we'll put that in the email spot. We'll say James Love. Make up a fake password. I'm not a robot. Oh, street sign. Verify. Sign up. And they're going to send you a verification email, and you're going to have to verify that. And they're going to ask you for a few pieces of information like your name, your address, some stuff like that. And that's totally normal because all things that have, you know, to work with money have to have this policy where they know a little bit about their customer. It's called the Know Your Customer policy. So that's totally fine, so you can trust them there. But I'm going to show you how you, so once you have that, right, I'm going to show you how to get the Bitcoin actually. So I'm going to go onto my Coinbase account, actually up here. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like when you log in. I have a few Bitcoin here, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to the buy and sell tab here. You're going to go to Bitcoin and you're going to put in, you know, $1,000, or you're going to put in $2,000, and you're going to press buy, and it's going to go through. And after a few days, it'll show up in your address here. So after a few days, it'll show up in your address there. And then what you're going to do is we're going to do the next step, which is get the trading bot software. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to a website called BitConnect Co. Alright, so this is BitConnect Co. Excuse me. So this is a cryptocurrency trading robot. So what it does is it trades the ups and downs in the market of Bitcoin. So you know that I can actually show you real quick. So if we go to CoinMarketCap and we look at Bitcoin's chart here. Let's say we'll do a month. And you can see how Bitcoin goes up and down each day, you know, even more so here. It goes up and down and up and down. And the robot has algorithms and machine learning and artificial intelligence and all that stuff. And it knows, you know, I should buy here and then sell here and buy here, sell here, buy here. I don't know, you know, whatever it does. Buy, sell. It buys low, sells high, and it can kind of predict the markets a lot better than a human can because it has all that machine technology. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to invest. Basically what you do is you deposit the Bitcoin into the account and you get interest every day because you lend it to the robot and it trades with your capital. So for example, if you lend $1,000, you get this interest, whatever it is. It's kind of random because it makes different kinds of profits every day, and it runs the actually you get a bonus of 0.1, and the program runs for 239 days. So if you go to volatility software, this is that robot, and it has a few low ones, but you can see on average it has a rate of interest of 0.8, and you know if you're investing $1,000, you're getting that +1 bonus too. So we know 239 days on average. So you'd be getting that $3,000. because you're getting that bonus, right? And so in order to do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the front page and you're gonna click on register. You're gonna put in your name, James Love, blah blah blah, password, blah blah blah, phone number. I've already done this before. And for sponsor, you don't need to put in a sponsor. What you're doing is you're gonna put cashback promotion, and that's a 10% immediate cash back on your deposit. I think it takes a few days to credit because they do it manually, but on your first deposit you get 10% back, which is going to be $100. So if you do 1,000, so good on you right there. So once you have that, I'm going to log into my account that I already created, but this isn't my real account. I made a fake one just to show you how it's done. Now once you're logged in, I'm logged in on my fake account. What you're going to do is you're going to click on wallet here. And then you're going to click on deposit BTC. You're going to be given your address. This is your unique address. You're going to copy it. You're going to go to Coinbase. We're going to go to Coinbase where you have your Bitcoin, right? You're going to go to accounts. You're going to see my wallet, your Bitcoin. You're going to put in that address from BitConnect that we just got. This address right here. Make sure you copy it exactly. Put it in, and you're going to put $1,000. Let's send a little bit more, 1,100, just to be sure that it's going to be $1,000. 0.0792 Bitcoin. You're going to press continue, and you're going to send that. Once it gets there, it might take a while. See, it says it could take up to 30 minutes. Once it gets there, you're going to see that right here. So you can refresh the page until you see your Bitcoin balance right here. You're going to have 0.0792, right? Once you have that, you're going to go to the BCC exchange right here. Click that. You're going to scroll down until you see buy, sell, BCC. You're going to press all right here. That's going to put in all the Bitcoin you have in your address up here. Since I don't have any, it says 0 for me, but like we just did in the example, it's going to be 0.0792 or whatever, right? And it's going to automatically give you the price right here, the most recent price, and the number of units you're going to get. That's the number of BitConnect coins, BCC, you're going to get. So you're going to press buy. And then once it goes through, I don't have the money right now on this fake account. Once it goes through, you're going to get that coins up here, and it's going to have 2.5 or whatever the price is at the time, 2 point whatever, right here. Then, in order to actually lend it to that bot, you're going to go to dashboard. You're going to click lend BTC. You're going to do lend BitConnect. And then you're going to see the price. It's locked in for 2 minutes. Amount in dollars, 1,010 in order to get this plus 1,010, 2.39. Say that you agree to the terms and conditions after you read them, right? And then press pay. So I don't have the balance, but once that's through, you're gonna have an active investment. It's gonna show $1,010 right here, and it's gonna show you your earnings every day, your lending profit, blah blah blah. So after the first day, you're going to expect about $10, which is 1%, and that'll be in this spot right here tomorrow. And what you're going to do is you're going to visit this page every single day, and you're going to click reinvest. And there's going to be a screen that just says, oh, do you want to reinvest all your... If you have any questions, just text me, and I'll try to help you. Lucas, I hope you invest as soon as possible, because every day you could be making more money. Alright, bro? Talk to you later.